Hi everybody, this is Snook, and today I am really excited. I want to open a subscription box that I bought. It is called the Kizuna Box from Japan. The price of the box wasn't too bad. It's $32.49, but the shipping is $25. Just by looking at the pictures, do I think it's going to be worth the price even with shipping? Yes, which is why I am excited to share this with you. So, without further ado, the box comes wrapped really nice in plain packaging, and then when I opened it, it also is bubble wrapped, which I thought was, considering how far it's coming, thought that was just amazing. Alright, and then right on the top, there's a sticker that says the Kizuna Box. Thank you for purchasing. And it has their Instagram handles and everything else. And this is what it looks like. This is the August 2021 edition, the traditional summer box. And it comes with a pamphlet. And on the back, and on the inside, it shows everything that we got. And I don't want to look at that because I want to be surprised. So, oh wow. So they even, this is actually really cool. They have, on top of everything, they have a piece of newspaper from Japan, which is really neat. That is really neat. There's a lot in here. A lot. Alright, let's start. There's a little box. And ooh, it's making a noise. Ooh. Oh. It's a bell. Can you? It's got both sides have the same picture, and it is a little bell with a teapot that looks like a pig and a fan, and they're blue, and on the inside is the little bell knocker. Oh, that's just gorgeous. So it's a traditional wind chime that you get. And that is really cute. And that just makes me happy looking at it. I really like that. Okay. Next, there's this bundle. And it says, how to make Soba Buckwheat. How to make Soba for 3 servings. Alright. So put 180 grams of soba into 2 liters of boiling water. While boiling, stir for about 6 minutes until it's done. Scoop the soba up and wash it well with cold water. Put into a soup bowl. And then they give you this. And this is the soup part of it. You got a whole packet to make a traditional, and they even bubble wrap the noodles are in bubble wrap, so I'm going to leave them in there. Wow. Okay, so we have the wind chime, we have food. Now, let's see. This is right on top also, and it is also very well wrapped. Oh. So then you get a plate, which is gorgeous, and on the back it has the, hopefully that's, so you can see it. So it's to look like fireworks. flowing through the wind. That is really cool. And it's that speckled. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. But yeah, it's got the speckling on it. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, then we got another wrapped package. Ooh. Oh, look, and it's got on the front, it's just got the 3 on it, and then this is what the inside looks like. So let's find this. It's a multi-cup. It is a cup for soba soup. It is used when you eat cold soba by dipping it in this soup in the bowl. However, depending on your ideas, the usage is endless, and this is dishwasher safe. So you have a little soup bowl. Okay. And now we have another package that's wrapped. And there is a little plate. And it's by Cram, made in Japan. And let's see this is a Goldfish pattern small plate. This cute little plate depicts a goldfish swimming in the water. Looking at this plate in the hot summer makes me feel cool. This is hand wash only. Every other thing was dishwasher safe, but this one does say hand wash only. Oh, I guess I should have done this in order, because now we have this little thing. So it's a circle with a bamboo, kind of like a steaming pan kind of thing that fits inside. This is a soba set, hand wash only. This fits in this bowl perfectly. Actually, perfectly. And then you could make your soba right in there. And then it would leak, the noodles would be on top, and then in here you would have your liquid. Okay, got that. Then you get this box. If I could afford this box every month, I would definitely get this. This is, it's literally like Christmas. This is Goldfish pattern cotton handkerchief. And it's made from 100% cotton. And the pattern is just gorgeous. And it could just be a table runner if you wanted on your table. Or you could actually use the material and make something out of it. This is really gorgeous. I really like that too. And then we have, oh wow, we have a set of 2 really nice chopsticks. But these are really, really nice. And they have fireworks on them. So these are the patterns. Hopefully that's showing up. And firework chopsticks. It's a chopsticks of firework pattern with the summer atmosphere, with non-slip, that is easy to eat and hand wash only. Even the ends are dipped. I mean, these are not cheap. There's one last thing in here, and it is a print. The whole thing. Summer Landscape Postcard. This postcard is a nostalgic image of summer in Japan and is customary to send greeting cards to people close to you in the summer. This is a custom that resembles a New Year's card. The Japanese word written is a general greeting during the summer. This is really cool. Really, really cool box. So let's go back through what we got. And the price was $32.49. The shipping cost me to the United States $25. Yeah. So there you go, is the price for it to ship to the United States. But we got a postcard. We got authentic Japanese food that we can try with a very thorough recipe. The recipe is also in the booklet. So even if you lose what's in there, you have it in another place. This very cute wind chime that I can't wait to figure out where I'm going to put that. We got the soup bowl, which is dishwasher safe, which is really pretty. We got the chopsticks, real ones, that are really nice, with the firework theme. This beautiful cotton, 100% cotton cloth that you can use for anything. If I had a nice dining room table, I would actually use it as a table runner. You could cut it in half and make 2 placemats out of. You could do all kinds of stuff with this. Again, you could make a scarf out of it. You could make a bandana out of it and wear it around your neck. You could do all kinds of stuff with that. So that is really neat. We have the official Soba plate to eat it off of. We have this beautiful dish that is also dishwasher safe, and this fits in here perfectly. And from what the directions say, you would put the soba on here, the liquid would drain through, and you'd be left with the noodles and the garnish that you put on top of it. So, and then you would have the liquid down here that you could just drink or pour in your cup and drink. And you can store it in here and have it cold. And then last, we have this beautiful little dish, which you could use as a trinket dish. You can eat off of it, it says, but you do have to hand wash this. Don't put this in the dishwasher. So you could use it as a trinket dish. You could use it as a soap dish. But yeah, that's really pretty. So that is my box. I'm not affiliated, of course, with this. I just found it one night when I was shopping when I shouldn't be. Ordered it and went, oh, the shipping's a killer. And anyway, so I will leave the link to the Crate Joy where I found it down below. And from the pictures that I'm seeing, this is pretty typical of the pottery, how many pieces of pottery that you get. So yeah, I would really love to get next month's box, but I really don't think I can swing it. But I wanted to share this with you and hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Have a really wonderful day. Bye.